I've been having some problems with my other chainsaw, and I thought, man, it's probably a great idea to get a backup. And I did some research, a little bit of research online, and found this. This is a Win electric chainsaw, and it's a I think it's a 40 volt. Anyway, let's just see how this thing works. Let's see how well it works. It was real cheap for, you know, a chainsaw. It was like $150. It's got an Oregon bar and an Oregon chain on it. This is very common. So as far as finding chains and things like that, it won't be an issue. I've already charged the battery up, and it literally just, this is all it comes with. You can take this off. It's plastic, but it's not too bad. I mean, it's pretty durable. And then this is your chain adjustment. So if I push the safety in and hold the trigger for a second, that's what it gets. But I need to put oil in it. I'm just going to put a little bit of lightweight 30 weight oil just to start with, so I know that it's going to go through in the beginning. And I'll eventually go to the bar oil, which is quite a bit thicker. So let's put a little bit of this in here so we can tell if it's going to work or not. I'm dirty my chainsaw up. I'm glad I started with some thin oil. So far I like it. It seems kind of neat. Let's see if we can get the oil started here. Now you can tell, listen to that chain. See how it's winding down now and not just stopping? So that helps. And then there's, I don't know if you can see it, but since the oil is really clean, it's hard to see if there's all them little specks. So now that I've done that, the chain's already kind of come a little bit loose, so I'm going to loosen that off, add some tension, tighten it back up. I'm impressed. Works really well. I'm impressed with it. One more. Not bad. Ah. Show 'em. See how hard that wood is? Now remember, boys and girls, always wear protective eyewear. Okay, like I can tighten this up just with the twist there. tools required. So that's the brake. Yeah, I won't go with it on. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Kayla is going to attempt to cut this log with our new Wind chainsaw electric. Yeah, I would cut it right here, Kayla.
You see that?
And the way it works is there's a button right there.
Okay.
You push it in. While you're holding that in, you squeeze the trigger, and you have it all ready before you do that. And once you squeeze the trigger, it takes just a minute or just a second, and then it'll start going. And then you just let it kind of go by itself. It'll dig down.
Okay.
Okay. So
Make sure
get a
you're
good grip on it. You're standing in a good spot. Make sure you got good footing. All right, try it.
Okay.
See, that was nothing. There it is. I caught another log off of that. This stuff is really hard and mesquite. Set it right here. Typically we would come out and we'd cut about that much. So this is like a normal cutting. Let's see how much battery life is left on this thing. So we still have half a battery left. That's not bad. Not bad at all. Yeah, that's pretty neat. Pretty happy with it.